video's passion for cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. Today I'm making chocolate banana bread. It's perfect for breakfast or evening with a hot cup of coffee or tea. You can make it and leave it in the refrigerator for a week or freeze it up to 3 months. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. First, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350°F. Let me show you all the ingredients. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, but today I'm using whole ivory wheat organic flour. 2 ripe bananas. 3/4 cup of unbleached cane sugar. 2 eggs, room temperature. 1/2 cup of sour cream, or you may use yogurt. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1/2 cup of melted butter. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons of raw and organic cacao powder. You may use regular cocoa powder. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm using salted butter. If you're using unsalted butter, please add 1 teaspoon of salt to this recipe. In a mixing bowl, sieve all the dry ingredients together. Cacao powder, sugar, baking soda, and ground cinnamon, and set it aside. In another mixing bowl, whip butter and eggs. Add one at a time and beat them well. Add sour cream or yogurt and dry ingredients a little at a time and keep mixing it. Add ripe bananas, mash them a little bit before you add, and finally add vanilla extract. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Take a loaf pan and apply some cooking spray or butter. Also spread a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, but this is optional. Fill the loaf pan 3/4 full and spread it evenly. Put it in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Leave it on a cooling rack. It came out very well, soft and tasty. It freezes very well too. Thanks for joining. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.